I had been wondering how well these root touch-up sprays work, and I decided to try Zotos Professional Age Beautiful Root Touch-Up. And I got it at Sally's Beauty Supply. And they had little hair samples, and so I decided to go with dark blonde. The last time I had my hair done, I had it done with a light brown with a little bit of gold and also light blonde with a little bit of gold in it. And this color blended quite well. So right now I'm using it for the first time, so I'm getting the hang of how to use it. You're supposed to give the bottle a good shake and then spray it on with a sweeping motion and then just let it dry. You don't need the brush. I was just playing. And you want to spray it on the root a few inches away from your head, but you also want it to, the spray to cover a little bit around your skunk line so that the colors blend into your hair. And I really like the way it came out. I'm very happy with it. The color covers the gray, and there's no distinct line. My hair doesn't look patchy with colors, and it feels good. It feels, a little, there's a slight, very slight stickiness, not quite a hairspray. But watch this, I'm getting the hang of it now. Give it a second. Again, you don't need the brush, I just like to play. Look at how well the color blends in. I am so happy that I finally decided to try this stuff. You don't need to put this on your whole head. You just need to fix your hair how you're going to wear it for the day and then just spray where you see the gray until it disappears. Thanks for watching.